Guys, I have egg here and I have bacon. I have chorizo and we got bread here. Look at that. And I'm gonna try my Oreos. If you can see, relay ice cream, homemade. I made this yesterday with my shake. Mmm, yum yum. Anyway ko pang I'm still waiting for my rice, guys, because we're Filipinos. But usually, nakaon ako kinamot. Mmm. I gave something to my dog. Don't like the bread. I love bacon and eggs. Mmm.